Hello friends, so today we are solving LeetCode 3754 long problem, which is concatenate non-zero digits and multiply by sum 1. This is the problem. To solve this problem, first I create three variables. First sum initialize with 0, then help initialize with 1 and digit initialize with 0. Sum simply calculate the sum of digits, help which is help to maintain the order of digits, okay, and digits refers to this. First we have n, this is integer type. So when we start a loop for I in loop, and then convert n to string to iterate, okay, because we can't iterate on a integer, we only iterate on a string. This is the loop declaration. After the declaration we convert the I into the integer type, okay. Then write a condition, if I greater than 0, then enter this part, okay, otherwise skip. We have this input, so whenever I goes to 1, then enter this condition. Whenever I goes to 2, then enter this condition, okay. Only negative numbers and zeros are skipped, okay. First we have 1, so enter the condition as sum plus is equal to 1. I also see you the dry run part, okay. This is the dry run. First sum the all digits, which is calculate this part, then calculate digit, which is help to calculate this x, and help used for maintain the sequence of order of digits, okay. And after the loop we simply reverse the digit and return the reverse order into sum. Now dry run the code and see how code actually works. So this is the input and this is the output. We have three variables which I declared, and this is the condition inside the for loop, okay. So first I goes to 1, sum is equal to sum plus I. So sum is initialized here to 0, so 0 plus I, and means 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Then go to digit plus help into I, okay. So digit initialized here 0, so 0, and help is equal to 1 and I 1, so 1 into 1 is equal to 1, so 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And here help, which is initialized here 1 into 10 is equal to 10, okay. Then I goes to 0 is skipped because it is not greater than 0, okay. So condition is false. Then I goes to 2, the I2, and then sum 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So now calculate the digit help into I. In the previous iteration help is equal to 10, and at this time I is equal to 2, so 10 into 2 is equal to 20, and plus the digit is 1, so 21, and help is equal to 100 here. At 10 and help 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Then I goes to 0, which is skipped, then goes to 3. So sum, previous sum is 3, so 3 plus current I is equal to 3, so is equal to 6. So digit, now calculate the digit again. Previous help 100 and current I is equal to 3, so 100 into 3 is equal to 300 plus previous digit, which is 21, so 321, okay. And help goes to 1000. Then I goes to 4, sum, previous sum is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, digit 1000 into 4 is equal to 4000, and plus previous digit 321 is equal to 4321, and help calculated here, okay. Now I goes to the last index, which is 4, so loop is closed. At this time we have digit 4 3 2 1, but we need 1 2 3 4, so we simply reverse it, okay, using this. First see, we convert the digit in a string, then reverse it, then again convert in integer, and then simply return the output. Return reverse digit means this 1 2 3 4, and sum which is calculated 10. So 1 2 3 4 into 10 is equal to 1 2 3 4 0, which is the output. Okay, so today we solve this problem. I run this code. Okay, and submit.